Today I'm here to show you the changes I made to my 2020 Honda Accord Touring Hybrid. I always felt like the car had a killer profile. However, I was not 100% happy with the taillights or the front end. Specifically, I saw a video online where somebody called it the Unibrow, and once you get that image in your head, you can't get rid of it. And every time I looked at the front end, that's all I saw was that big chrome piece in the front. Here's the before and after pictures showing you the changes I made to the front of the car. It basically just consisted removing that center chrome strip at the top, including the Honda logo, and I replaced it with this part from College Hills Honda for about $250 plus shipping and handling. They had two versions, a chrome version and a black chrome version. I got the black chrome version, and honestly I thought it would be darker, more black. When I initially saw it, I was going to cover it with black vinyl, but once I put it on the car, I thought it looked great and I didn't want to change it because I'm also leaving ample amounts of chrome throughout the car. I'm not going to do a complete blackout look. That was not my intent. Now I know what you're going to say, replace the rims, and you're right. I have 17s on there and I'm going to get 19s soon. However, it's not all bad. I've gotten crazy gas mileage with these 17-inch tires. The most amazing stat is that this car is rated for 48 miles per gallon, and through 28,000 miles plus, I averaged over 55 miles per gallon. And this is what the taillights look like on in the shade. These are the version 9 Bend style taillights. I have the black Accord emblem. And I changed the center caps to black on red. I had to make those because you can't find those anywhere. I added this Accord Emblem side badge with the silver on black. Now, taking a look at the rear lights when they are on in the direct sun, you can see they stand out nicely. Here is a before and after picture of what the taillights looked like originally from the factory, and then the changes that I made to the rear. Some people have referred to the stock taillights as the staplers or the crab claws, and I wanted to change that look. I changed the taillights to a version 9 taillight, or it's also called the Bend style. It comes in two versions. It comes in standard and smoked. I got the smoked version, and originally I thought it would be darker, a darker smoke, but it turns out it's about a 35% tint. I also added the center panel LED bar. When I bought the center panel LED bar, I originally bought the smoked version, which was very dark. It did not match the taillights, so unfortunately I didn't use that one, and I went back and I bought the center panel LED bar in red, and when it arrived it was bright red. So what I had to do was I had to put a 35% tint film on the light LED bar, and that matched perfectly with the taillights when the lights are off. The center panel LED bar cost about $110 from eBay. I will put links below to the version 9 taillights and the center panel LED bar, as well as the front grille replacement. Below the lights, on the two reflectors, I added a 35% tint, and at the bottom I painted the chrome tailpipe bar gloss black epoxy. Here is a close-up of the center Honda logo. I had to make this because I could not find a black on red anywhere, especially the radiant red metallic. So I bought the black Honda logo online, and I had to fabricate the red background panel using the same paint color as the car. Now I'm going to show you how the lights look through the various progressions. This is what the lights look like when they're on. Brake on. Brake off. Brake on. Brake off. Notice I left the animation on for the center LED bar. Left turn signal. Right turn signal, emergency flashers, brake on, reverse, brake off, lights off, left turn signal, right turn signal, emergency flashers, brake on, brake off, brake on, reverse, lights off, brake off. Now I'm going to show you in indirect sunlight. Brake on, brake off, brake on, reverse, brake off, left turn signal, right turn signal, emergency flashers, lights on. This is the startup animation. Lights off. Lights on again, startup animation. Left turn signal, right turn signal. Emergency flashers. Brake on, brake off. Brake on, reverse. Brake off. Brake on. You can wire that center panel LED in various ways, depending on how you hook it up. It does have more capabilities than is shown. I could disable the animation on the center LED bar, but I chose to leave it.